spread of the virus?
Well, thank you. My name is Aisha Abubakar, Chief Officer in charge of Public Health, Mombasa County. Today we are here with our stakeholders, WHO, United Front, to launch the 6 vans will be distributed amongst the 3 sub-counties, that is Likoni, Nyali and Mvita. We've decided to select these areas because the other 3 sub-counties have already been selected by MEWA. So it is a joint responsibility between the CBOs and the county government of Mombasa. And the reason why we are flagging off the vehicles is to go out and pass the message regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. We want our communities to be aware of what is happening. It's like people now have forgotten that the disease is there because the numbers have reduced. So we want to make sure that we still have the same stigma and the same stamina to push on in the fight against the COVID-19. Yeah, because initially when it started, most of the messaging were through the radios and the TV, and as you can see, not everybody can afford to have a TV or a radio, and that's the reason why we decided that we should go to the grassroots through the audio so that everybody who is there or anybody who is there will be able to grasp the message fast. Yeah. One of the contributing factors. Messaging, communication strategy, that is, I think for me it's key because we need to pass the correct information to our community for them to know that the disease is there, for them to know that they need to follow the protocol to the letter. So I think it is our responsibility as County Government of Mombasa, together with our stakeholders, to make sure that our community get the correct information where they are.
Front under the umbrella of Kwani 1 Shilling Foundation. Today we're here launching the 6 mobile units which are supposed to operate within 3 sub-counties, and that is Likoni sub-county, Mvita sub-county and Nyali sub-county. Each mobile unit will have at least a public health officer who will be able to engage the communities at the grassroots on risk communication, actually ask the most important questions that are being asked every day on the ground.
So they will be somehow
Yes, absolutely. The essence of having the mobile units is to take the message to the people so that we are in a position to actually engage effectively so that they can also have an opportunity to get the right information from the right people, and in this case the public health officers in charge of their particular regions. Yes.
Thank you.